Welcome back to class. This is day 7 of this training, and it's going to have part 1 and part 2, even 3 if possible, because we are rounding up today. Yes, so we are going to explore another tool called, you can use Kling, alright, Kling, alright, but Kling, their credit is very low, so we are going to use Digen AI. So this is the app, Digen AI. Okay, so you can use the website, you can go to Play Store and download. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that the video is not too long. Okay, so you are inside Digen AI right now. So what you need to do is normal sign up. Just click here to sign up, right? Sign up right there, and then click on create. After you are done signing up using your Google or your email, click on create. They give you credits every day, 300 plus. Okay, even if you don't finish it, look at the credit I have now. Okay, so once you are done there, you are done, click on create. Then please click here to actually change this particular ratio. It depends on where you want to post the video from. So since I want to post this video on YouTube, I'll click on 16:9, which is for YouTube. This is for Facebook. So I'm click on 16:9, then click on crop. Click on crop. Okay, so you are going to upload the image. Okay, so you click on this image icon here to upload your image. I believe you know how to create your avatar, right? So you just go to ChatGPT and prompt it there. I will forward I forwarded prompts in the group already by now, so you should be able to use it there. So this one here, now you have to wait for it to upload the picture 100%, and once that is done, then you click on, look here, you click on talk. Okay, so when you click on talk, now by default they gave you Bigfoot as the voiceover. So just click on Gen 2 because Gen 3 is for our pro version. So you click on Gen 2, then you can click here to choose another avatar, another voiceover. Okay, so you click there, you can select which other one you want here. In case you don't want to use any other one and use your voice, you can record the voice here. You understand? But if you have a recorded version of voice before you want to upload, you can just click on upload. And let me show you how you can now get a recorded voice somewhere, like you can get your voice over before you can use it on your place. So let's go to Chrome right now, so we can then get a generate a voice from there. So on Chrome, search for Speechma. Okay, it's even still here. Search for Speechma. So on Speechma, you can see it by default on this. Let me go back a bit. It says you select voice selection, and I look down here. These are the voice selection below here. So all you can do is scroll down and choose any voice, male voice. You can test the voices.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality audio with just a click.
So let me use Christopher. Then you can now, you have select your voice. This, okay. Then you can type your text here, what you want the voice to say for you. So let me pause and type mine. Okay, now so I've typed this simple text here. Then you are going to solve this mathematics here. This number you enter it here, then you click on generate audio. So let me enter the number 00202. Then you can click on generate audio. You wait for your audio to get generated. You can as well use Google Studio as well to do that as well. Just click on search for Google Studio text to voice. Okay, text to audio, you can use. There are many places like 11 Labs. There are other places like that you can use for voiceover. Clip Charm, you can use OpenAI FM, you can use text to speech. All these Love Voice, you can use them. So you can see I've been doing voiceover here. So the one I just did now is this one here.
AI is not difficult as many though. Follow Godfripto and see how simple he make AI look.
Okay, you can see that. So you can then click on download here to download your file, and it will be right inside your file. So let's go back to our Digen AI. So now if I want to upload now, I will click on upload here. Okay, so it will open your file for you to pick up. You always see it under download, and then is the last one you will see the latest one I did just now. This one I did around an hour ago. So you can see, pick it from here, and that's it. You can see that.
AI is not difficult as.
Okay, so that is it. Remove this guy from here. Okay, so you click on prompt down here. Okay, so you can click on prompt and then type your prompt there. So my prompt is I will use something. AI is not difficult. Okay, so let's proceed. Remember, you know how to get a prompt. Just go to ChatGPT and then prompt, ask ChatGPT for anything, and then click on generate video. It will give it to you. So from here, as let's see how many minutes before it generate. 6 minutes. That's huge. So we are going forward. We can't wait from here. But make sure you have to remain on the screen before the video create. Okay, even if you want. So I want to reduce the screen and move forward to the next one. Okay, so now I've shifted the screen, now is working on the other side. So the next tool we want to use now is this one here. Go to your Play Store and get Grok. Okay, another powerful tool as well. So open Grok. So once you are here now, once you are here, click on Imagine. See Imagine here. Click on Imagine right there. Imagine. Then all the photo in your gallery will be showing at the top here. Okay, at the top here. You can even see all there, or you will give it access. If it asks for access, give it to it. So now you can just select an image you want to make use of. So let's use the same image here. So this one, once the picture is up, it will start generating the video on its own. Then you can prompt to what you want it to say. Understand? So you have to wait for it. Our digestion area remain for 3 minutes. This one is really not, once it's up to 100, look, you will see it here. Once it's up to 100 here. It's a bit hanging because I'm multitasking as well. So now you need to let it whatever thing you want to say for you. So you click on this redo icon here, this one here, click on this one, then you click on custom. So at this point you now going to say what you want it to say for you. You understand? So I can say, okay, AI is not difficult as many thought. Follow God crypto and he will make it easier for you. So now you can send on the arrow here. So like I said, you can see the timer here reading. See the timer here. Sorry, percentage. Once it's up to 100, your video will be ready. 517. So let's pause this video and see. Our digestion AI remain 1 minute. It will complete.
AI is not difficult at many though. Follow Godfripto and he will make it easier for you.
You can see that. So my phone has really carried a load. So as you can see, you will use this button to download it. You get it. Now the next video again I come down here is going to be video on how you can actually use that as the one you see on the advert, okay, for businesses, you know, for business advert, you know, people speak on the street, employees shouting, take live and other things. That one is coming in the next video. Yes, so stay tuned. And on this video now you are going to use the same thing. Use one of your picture, you know, create it either using avatar ChatGPT or Google Gemini to get a picture and then make use of it for me as well. So we are moving to the next. Let me go and check the one we use on Digen AI before we go. Download started. So let's go and check. I can actually still pump some more things with this same video here by clicking on this dollar icon here and change the script. You understand? I can change the script from here. I can also bring two people here to talk as well. They will be conversing. So let me check the minute 4 minutes. I'm going to do that right now before we proceed. So let me change the script now. I'll say, do you know that the phone in your hand is your business? I want to know how. Ask God Crypto. Then you send again. Okay, you send the video again, and then you wait for it to generate 1%. You can see that. So this one you have to wait here as well, or it will not generate for you. So the next video we're going to do now is going to be two people conversing together. Okay, that they will sit down and converse together. They'll be talking to each other. That one too, you can actually learn it in this video. So it's just 6 minutes, so let's proceed with it. So let's hear what this guy is saying now.
You want to know how? Ask God Crypto. Do you know that the phone in your hand is your business? You want to know how? Ask God Crypto. Do you know that the phone in your hand is your business? You want to know how? Ask God Crypto. Do you know that the phone in your hand is your business? You want to know how? Ask God Crypto.
So now let's go and get a picture of a guy and a lady sitting down. Okay, we want to make sure that we make use of the two pictures so you can understand what I'm trying to say. But then let's go and check our video on Digen AI before we proceed to that next scene. So this is it.
AI is not difficult as many though. Follow God Crypto and see how simple he made.
You can see that the site is very loaded. My phone too is really hanging.
AI look.
So now let's go and get the picture we want to use for the next thing.
AI is not difficult as many though.
So let's go to Google Gemini. Okay.
Follow God Crypto and see how simple he made.
So let's go and use this guy to get another picture. So I will say we need a stay updated. Okay. So I will say generate a young man in his early 20 lately that means lately 20s, wearing a blue top and black jeans, sitting, okay, and a young girl, young African lady in her early 20s, wearing a neatly yellow top and a blue jeans, both seated on a couch. In a beautiful decorated sitting room. So let's see what's up. So you can see that we've got what we want here. So let's move this, let's make use of this picture. Save. Okay, download it. Let's go back to Grok now and make use of it. Okay, imagine. So the picture is back now. So let's wait for it to generate the video. Then we'll now put a prompt so you could see. $29.41. We are almost there. Okay. Oh my god, that's quite okay. Let's go to custom, right? I will change that. Okay, you will say with a perfect lip sync dialogue. Image in blue. Okay, image in blue. I promise I won't hurt you. I won't hurt you. Then in bracket, emotional. Then image. You can even give the name of image in yellow. You can give them Gem and Jen in yellow. Are you sure? Are you sure? Because it's easy. Say sorry guys, sorry. Easy says than done. Than done. Come down, you say timeline. Image in blue. Talk. Image in yellow. 0.05 second to 0.09. So you send. So let's wait and see. That they are kissing down too much. That video one spoiled me here. Small boy one spoiled me with kissing. What I never even see for real life. Don't show me for video. 58. So we are almost there. We're almost there.
I promise I won't. Are you sure? Because it's easy says than done. I promise I won't. Are you sure? Because it's easy says than done. I promise.
Okay, so the voice of the woman is still coming like the voice of a man. Okay, so I will address this in the next video because this is quite long already. So that is it. So maybe was assignment on the platform. So today you're gonna have like 3 assignments, which is the last of the day, or maybe tomorrow. So kindly submit your assignment using your avatar to just introduce something to us, and that's it. So watch for the next part 2 of this tutorial, and peace out. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.